In today's video, we're gonna talk about the board piers and why we have chosen a pier foundation for the house. And then we have a quick comparison between the pile and pier foundation. You just sit back and watch the whole video to get an overview of board piers. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Board piers are typically used as foundation piles to limit settlement of the structures they support. The board pier's installation process involves minimal noise and vibration in comparison to driven pile techniques. If you're building a new home, one of the most important decisions you're gonna make is the type of foundation to use. If you get your foundation right, everything is gonna go well for your house long term. On the other hand, with a bad foundation, you're gonna have problems with your house. The site you are watching is located on a mountain, so the quality of the soil has to be perfect. By the way, the structural designer assumes 450mm board piers for the foundation. As you see, the maximum depth of board piers are around 1 meter because of the rocky mountain, which is reliable for the foundation. To check the bottom of piers, we use steel material and hit the bottom of the pier by that, and we can find out whether the depth is enough or not. The other thing we need to be careful is the amount of water in the piers. If there is much water in the pier, that needs to be evacuated because that will affect the proportion of water cement in concrete mixture. At the end of this video, I think it's good to know about the difference between pier and pile. A pier is basically a raised structure that is constructed to support a well-based foundation system. Pier foundation is generally constructed at the shallow depth and constructed to resist the small intensity of loads. But pile is basically a column that is inserted in underneath, started to transmit the structural load to the lower level of the subsoil strata. A pile foundation is a type of deep foundation in which the total loads are transferred to the underneath strata by means of the vertical member. Hope this video is useful for you. I try to share my new experiences of construction with you. Please let me know if you have any suggestions. Thank you.